Huh?
What?
Okay, we are making fire burner for the winter cold. Now it is going colder and colder. Now we can see the frost in the very beginning of the morning. So before you making actual burner, then you have to plan, make plan for this material. For preparation, you can select the iron, like this type of square type of iron metal frame. Then you can weld here this area you can weld here. Then you can make this type of iron rod. Yeah, four pieces of iron rod like this equal part. See, equal. You can measure like this. You can use the measure for the measurement. Four pieces of this type of iron rod. Then you can add like this. Weld here. You can weld here, and next one you can weld here like this. Here this place, and one this place, and one this place like here. You can weld perfectly. Then you have to select the metal plate, like this type of metal plate, this type of round metal plate. You can use, you can buy also metal plate to use in the construction. And then point four places like this. Yeah, one, two, three, four. Then you can make a square center point. Then make a hole, make a circle like this. And then you can use the you can use this cutter. Then one goes here, one goes here, and you can make this type of line, this type of line, because this is bigger than the iron. So the measurement, you need a 4 inch. So if you are making 4 inch, see, 4 inch, 1, 2, 3, 4 inch hole from here to here, or half inch, 2 inch, 4 inch. Then you need this type of circle. Then you can make like this. You can use this type of rod, one here, one from here, one from here, side by side. Then you can use these tools to puncture, yeah, to puncture, to make big hole, this type of pipe, GI pipe. Then you can use this hammer to make the hole like this, and you can use another big, you can make a big hole. And then finally you can make this type of burner, see, and you can choose one GI pipe, right, one GI pipe, and this is GI pipe, see, and you can make small cut here, right, lower side, this is lower side. Yeah, you can use this type of pipe, GI pipe, and side by side from another side you can cut like this, right, like this by the using by the cutter, for the oxygen. Yeah, for the oxygen. Then after you can use all these tools. Yeah, so now we are making the plan, right. This is our plan to make the high burners for the winter cold. Okay, now we move to the, we can use all these tools, right, these tools, and our welding machine is ready for maximum 205 power. So now we are going to shift in practical, right? Just a minute, okay? Just a minute. I have already made this type of see all this picture as I mentioned here. This is a square, right? This metal is a square. This square. This is a plate, metal plate. This is in a square, right? It is already made, and this is the four pieces of iron rod. Okay, 4 pieces of iron rod. See, and in the middle center, like this type, I already made this type of hole, and I measure like this, here, like this, and here. In the center point, I use this cutter to cut like this, see, like this, and I use these tools to puncture the hole, and then I penetrate and pull, use hammer, this big hammer and this hammer, okay, and you can see if you turn this opposite side, yeah, this is the main burner, right? You can use here. This is a little, I think 2 inch. This leg is 2 inch, maybe no, 6 inch up than the ground. Okay, you can see this burner shifted like this, and you can use the wood, right? You can use the wood, and then when this rod is overheat, then it's starting to pull the hot air from the bottom here, this side. Then automatically you don't have to, when iron is already fire, then you don't need to use other sources, okay? Then automatically it will breathable fire burner. You can enjoy in the honor. Okay, now little small tiny point is missing, so I am now going to weld here. Okay, use this brush here. Okay, this is rust. In rust you cannot use. I am going to weld this space. This part is already done. Right now, I am going to show you how to weld. Okay. Now let's start. This is ground. Earth. I use this earth here. Okay. And then I use this type of glass, okay, to protect the Now ground is attached. You can go this side,
Okay.
maybe. Okay, you can this side. Okay. Now I am starting well. This. Okay, it is almost ready. You can remove the carbon. You can remove the carbon like this. This is, this is not fine, so you can remove the carbon and now this is fine. Perfect. Now it is perfect. Okay, this is left yesterday. It is not finished completely. Okay, you have to close your eyes. Okay, ready?
Okay.
This side is not perfect. Okay, now it's already completed. It is already completed. If you are new in welding, well, you can learn how to weld. Okay. Okay, fine. See, now it is finished, completed. Now you can remove this. So now finally you have to remove this ground like this. Okay, our project is complete. Okay, now and it's almost finished. See. Now this burner is different than other. Okay, let's see how it is acting. Okay. Okay, now this is fine. Now this is fine, then we'll try to burn and how it is working or not. This this function this function is working or not. Okay, this it starts breathing like a air, breathing like with the hot air. Okay, or you can use another cooking thing. Okay, you can use multiple uses. Thank you very much for this. Okay, 1 2.